Hello guys, and welcome back to Sandra's Studio Toolbox. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a Pinterest profile cover. Okay, we're going to start out in Canva. The size is going to be 800 pixels. Okay, let's see. 800 by 450 pixels. And we're going to create and start our design from here. Okay guys, so now we are inside of Canva. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is go into my uploads and see if there are any pictures that I have there that I want to add to my space. And I think I am going to add this one. I think it's more befitting of what we're trying to do. We're going to delete that image, and I'm going to take this image and drag it over, stretch it out. Okay, that's perfect. And I'm also going to use, I have some wording that I have already written, but I want to rewrite them and make a copy of that. And I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. I am going to copy that in there, and I am going to ask, please rewrite this statement in a more, let's see, in a hook type statement. So basically I wanted to let it be more catchy where it can catch someone's attention. So let's see what we get with ChatGPT. Unlock the potential of ambitious women dreaming of early retirement through the launch of their own digital product business. Gain the ultimate edge with a tailored workspace setup and access to essential tools for unparalleled success. Okay, that's not me, unparalleled success. That's not something I would say. So, let's say, please rewrite same statement with a hook, but in a more upbeat and simpler tone. Okay, so let's try it again. Ready to help women achieve their early retirement dreams. Let's kickstart your digital product business journey with a vibrant workspace and all the tools you need for success. Perfect. I love this statement. This is so okay. And you could really just click that there. Now let's go back into Canva. Okay, and I am going to just replace that, drop it in, do a little bit of adjustments. Okay, for one, this is way too big and it's not my font, so I'm going to go back into my font that I have. Okay, and we are going to size this down some. There we go. That's perfect. And I'm going to change this to Studio Toolbox. And I'm also going to change it with the font, the cursive font that I use. Perfect. And let's enlarge that a little bit. Okay, too big. I lost the studio. There we go. Okay, I want to bring it down just a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Now that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to overthink it. I might want to add a little decorative corners Okay, let's see graphics, see all. Okay, let's do that. Just a little something. I hate plain stuff. I'm so sorry. That's just me. Okay, and I'm going to take this one and flip it and flip it. Okay, perfect. Probably going to change this color into one of my... Okay, change it into brown. I might want to change that into green. Let's see if it'll show up really good. Yeah. And let's change this one into brown. Yeah. Okay, I think that is perfect. Okay, so now we are finished. We are not gonna, drag this along. I don't know if I should. I don't think it makes a difference, but let's see. We are going to download. This is going to be. We're going to download it in a PNG, or you can download it in a JPEG. Uncheck that box because I don't want all the other boxes. I just want that one page, and I'm going to click done, and then download. Okay, and so we're going to let that download. Oh, wow, it's already finished. Now we're going to go into Pinterest. Okay, so I'm into my Pinterest board. I'm going to click the plus button, and I'm going to click Browse. And I want to pull the one that I just did, and I want to open it up. And it says to crop the cover. I don't even know if this is correct or not, but let's do done. And let's see how it comes out. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, and there you have it, guys. This is how you would create your profile board for Pinterest. And until next time, we'll have another course on Pinterest, and I'll see you then. Bye. Guys, again, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check out my home office productivity guide as well as bonus planner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, Eli Volto Roulette. See you on the next video.